Morning students. In the last class we have seen, so that is problems on factor theorem. So we'll solve some more problems on the same theorem, that is factor theorem. We'll solve question which is asked in previous year exams. See, this is asked in 2015. It's asked in 2015. So find A. Find A. If the two polynomials ax cube plus bx square minus 9 and 2x cube plus 4x plus a give the same reminder when divided by x plus b. So this is asked in 2015. This is 2015 problem. So what is given? F of x is see here. So first I'll write. So when finding two polynomials ax cube plus bx square minus 9 and 2x cube plus 4x plus a, give the same reminder. Now how we do is when divided by x minus. First I'll write first polynomial f of ax, or else you can write. So first polynomial is f of x is ax cube plus 3x square minus 9. Here I will find f of minus 3. What is the reminder? When you divide by x plus 3 means f of minus 3 will be the reminder. So f of minus 3 is a into minus 3 cube plus 3 into minus 3 square minus 9. So f of minus 3 cube is minus 27a. Minus 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27 minus 9. So f of minus 3 is minus 27a plus a, 18. Is it clear? Right? It is 18. Similarly, now for the second polynomial, what is second polynomial? That is f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 4x plus a. 2x cube plus 4x plus a. So here also you find f of minus 3. You find f of minus 3. If you find f of minus 3, see here. So if you put x is equal to f of minus 3, 2 into minus 3 cube plus 4 into minus 3 plus a. Right, so therefore f of minus 3, so minus 3 cube is minus 27 into 2, minus 54, minus 12 plus a. That is f of minus 3, minus 54 minus 12, minus 66 plus a. Is it clear? Now, in this both the cases, the remainder will be same. That is minus 27a plus 18 is equal to minus 66 plus a. The remainder will be same in these two cases. I will take this minus 27 here, minus 66 here. Now it is 18 plus 66 is equal to a plus 27a. So 18 plus 66 is how much it is? 84 is equal to 27 plus a is 28a. Now a is equal to 84 by 28. 28 ones are 28 reasons. So a value is it clear, friends? Is it clear, right? So they are given two polynomials, first polynomial, second polynomial. When both polynomials are divided by x plus 3, the remainder will be same. So write down the first polynomial, find f of minus 3. So write down the second polynomial and find f of minus 3. So equate these two values because they are said they leave the same remainder. When the remainder is same, you can equate these two values and find the value of a. Right? So write. See next problem. See next problem. x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 has x minus 2 as a factor and use a reminder 3 use a reminder 3 when divided by x minus 3 find a and b. So this is 2015 problem. Asking 2015. This is very similar problem. Already we have solved the similar problem. See what is f of x? F of x is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. Has x minus 2 has a factor. X minus 2 has a factor means f of 2 will be 0. So that is 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus 6. This is 0. Is it clear? So now 2 cube is 8. So 2 square is 4a plus 2b plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is 4a plus 2b. 8 plus 6 is 14. If it comes to the right hand side, this is minus. This is equation number 1. Already we know this. So it leaves the remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. So that is x minus 3 means we have to find f of 3. F of 3 is equal to, now it is 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 2 plus 6. That remainder is how much it is? Remainder is 3. When it is a factor, remainder will be 0. So otherwise, so remainder is 3. Now 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9a plus 2b plus 6 equal to 3. Now it is 9a plus 2b. 27 plus 6, 33. If it comes to the right hand side, 3 minus 33 is minus 30. Now this is the equation. Now we have to solve these two equations. So what is first equation? That is 4a plus 2b is equal to minus 14. What is second equation? 9a plus 2b is equal to minus 30. Now it is minus plus. 4a minus 9a minus 5a. Now this will get cancelled. 14 plus 30. 14 correct. Now this is 4a 6 plus 8 14. Now 27 plus 6 33. 3 minus 33 is minus 30. Now subtract. See minus 30. See 30 minus 14 is how much it is? 16. So what is b value? Minus 16 by 5. Now substitute that b value in any equation, we will get the value of a. Already you know this. Substitute this b value in any equation, we will get the value of a. So that we already done. Will you do this? So substitute this b value in any equation and find the value of a. Right. So write it fast. Find the value of a by using that b value. What number should be added? What number should be added? To ax cube minus 5x square plus 6x, so that when resulting polynomial, when resulting polynomial is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is 8. The already solved similar problem. The remainder is a. See students. So what number should be added? Let I take. Let the number to be added. I take it as a. Right. So then what is f of x? F of x is 3x cubed minus 5x square plus 6x plus k. Is it clear? So when it is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is a. When it is divided by x minus 3 means what? That f of 3 will be a. F of 3 will be a. Put x is equal to 3. Now 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square plus 6 into 3 plus k is equal to a. Put x is equal to 3 here. 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square, 6 into 3 plus k equal to 8. So 3 cube 27, 27 into 3 is 81. 3 cube is 27, 27 is 81. 3 square is 9, 9 5s are 45. 6 into 3 is 18 plus k is equal to 8. Now 81 minus 45, see here. So 11 minus 5, 6, 8 minus 5 is 3. Is 36. 36 plus 18. So putting it is 54. Now see here. 54 plus k is equal to 8. 81. Right. 81 plus 81 minus 45 is how much it is? 36. Right. So 36 plus 18 is 80. 54 plus k equal to 8. Then what is k? 8 minus 54. Then what is the value of k? 46. The value of k, the number to be added is 46. The number to be added is 46. Right. Eight minus 54 is minus 46. 8 minus 54 minus 46. Next problem. Cube plus 2x square minus ax plus 4 is divided by x minus 2. The remainder is k. The remainder is k. Find the value of k. Okay, so the remainder C. So x minus 2, the remainder is k. First I write f of x. What is f of x? X cube plus 2x square minus ax plus 4. That f of, when it is divided by x minus 2, f of 2, the remainder is k. F of 2 is k. When it is divided by x minus 2, the remainder will be f of 2, that is k. K is equal to x is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 4 is equal to k. So 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8 minus 2k plus 4 is equal to 2. Now bring this 2k here. Okay, so 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4 2 is 8 minus 2k plus 4 is equal to k. So now 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20 is equal to k plus 2k. K plus 2k is 3k. So then what is the value of k? K value is 20 by 2. Is it clear? Right, so when this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is k. So that is f of 2 equal to k. Put x is equal to 2 here. 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 4 equal to k. So 2 cube is 8, it is also 8 minus 2k plus 4 equal to k. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20 is equal to k plus 2k is 3k. So then what is k value? 20 by 3. Is it clear? So write up. See students, so this is about Riemann right factor theorem, and you have finished the first exercise in your Selena textbook, right? So in the next class, how to factorize the given polynomial completely by using the Riemann right factor theorem. So they will be giving some polynomial like this one. So how to factorize that polynomial by using factor theorem. So that we'll see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.